Basic Negatives in French, les négatifs, set to Eastside by Blanco, Khalid, and Halsey. When you began, your French was quite bland, not too tough, and yet that was enough. But now as you progress, you need even more skills, perhaps to be able to say things in the negative. You need a ne or pas on each side of the conjugated verb. You need a ne or pas on each side, both are important words. You can do anything if you put your mind to it. Make a list in French and then put a line through it. French is all yours if you're willing to take it. Madame is there to model and support it. You need a ne or pas on each side. You need a ne or pas on each side. You need a ne or pas on each side of the conjugated verb.